Welcome to The Explainer. You know the feeling, right? You're driving along, minding your own business, and then you see it, the sign for a multi-lane roundabout. Today, we're going to break it all down and show you how to conquer this thing, no sweat.
Okay, let's just be honest. For a ton of drivers, especially here in the US, seeing this sign is the exact moment that little jolt of panic sets in. I mean, a single lane circle is one thing, but adding more lanes when you're coming off the highway, yeah, that can feel like a whole different ballgame. But here's the thing. There's a really good reason these roundabouts exist. When you look at the numbers, they are just way safer. We're talking a 90% reduction in fatal crashes. Plus, they keep traffic moving so much better than a regular old intersection with a traffic light. So they're not there to make our lives harder. They're actually there to make the roads safer and faster for everyone.
All right, so let's get into it. The secret to mastering a roundabout doesn't actually start at the circle. Nope, it starts way earlier with your approach. If you can get this first step right, I promise, everything else just clicks into place.
This is it. The single biggest mistake pretty much everyone makes happens before they even get close. It is all about being prepared. You just can't treat a multi-lane roundabout like you're on the interstate, jumping lanes at the last second. You've got to know where you're going and get into the right lane way ahead of time.
Now think of this slide as your cheat code. The signs and the painted arrows on the road are always your best guide, for sure. But there's a pretty simple rule of thumb. If you're taking that first right turn or just going straight through, you're probably going to want the right lane. If you're going straight, making a left, or, pulling a full U-turn, the left lane is almost always where you need to be. And here is a massive pro tip for you. Start slowing down way earlier than you think you need to. You're probably coming off a road doing 55, maybe 65 miles per hour. You need to get down to that 20 or 25 advisory speed smoothly. Don't be that person who slams on their brakes right at the entrance. Just ease into it. Okay, now for the moment of truth, actually entering the roundabout. You've picked your lane, you've slowed down, and now you're at that dashed line, ready to merge into the flow. Now look closely at the sign. It's a yield sign, not a stop sign. And that distinction is everything. It means if the roundabout is totally empty, you do not have to stop. You just slow down, make sure it's clear, and you can roll right on in. So who has the right of way? The rule here is simple. And it's absolute. You have to yield to any cars already in the circle. And since traffic in a roundabout always moves counterclockwise, those cars will always be coming from your left. And because this is a multi-lane roundabout, you have to look for a safe gap in all the lanes of traffic. Don't just peek at the lane closest to you, because a car in that inner lane could be exiting right across your path. Once you see a good, safe gap in both lanes, that's your moment. Commit and merge into the circle. And you're in, see? Not so bad. Now, if you did all that prep work right, this next part is surprisingly simple. Let's talk about getting out.
Okay, so here it is. The number one golden, most important rule once you're inside the circle is, you ready? Never change lanes. Seriously, whatever lane you picked before you entered is the lane you stay in all the way to your exit. The road is literally designed to guide you right where you need to go.
Just a quick safety tip, be extra careful around big trucks. Their trailers have this thing called off-tracking, which is just a fancy way of saying the back wheels don't follow the front wheels perfectly. They can cut across the lane lines. The smartest thing to do is just give them space. Don't hang out right beside them, stay ahead or behind. And this brings us to the grand finale, the exit. As you start getting close to your turn, flick on that right turn signal. Now, this isn't just being polite, you're actually communicating to the drivers waiting to enter that it's safe for them to go. Then, as you exit, keep your eyes peeled for pedestrians in the crosswalk, always.
All right, I know that was a lot of information, but honestly, it all boils down to just a few key ideas. So let's recap everything into a simple little checklist. Here they are, the 5 golden rules. 1. Slow down early. 2. Choose your lane before you get there. 3. Yield to everybody coming from your left. 4. Never, ever change lanes inside the circle. And 5. Signal when you're exiting. You get these 5 things down and I'm telling you, you've completely mastered the multi-lane roundabout.
So, the next time you're on the highway and you see those circling arrows up ahead, just remember these steps. That initial panic can be replaced with confidence. What used to be a source of anxiety can become just another, totally normal and way safer part of your drive. So, are you ready to master the circle?